Most property insurance claims don't come from fires or theft, but storm and sewer-related losses that the Insurance Bureau of Canada reports as costing nearly $1 billion in damages each year. What causes this? While many homes have a backwater valve retrofitted by a plumber or pre-installed by a home builder to prevent sewer backup, lack of regular maintenance may cause them to jam. A flooded basement costs an average of $43,000 to repair. This damage is preventable. Backwater Solutions Canada delivers professional backwater valve cleaning from qualified technicians to prevent sewer backup, with a comprehensive water management inspection and recommendations for proper upkeep. We want every home to be protected from sewer backups. Book your cleaning and inspection today at backwatersolutions.com.